Hey, welcome! Today we're going to dive into the hidden power of just one simple word. But this isn't just any word. It's so good, it actually made it onto a super exclusive list.
Just think about that for a second. What if you could say pretty much anything you wanted, but with only 850 words? Sounds kind of like a secret code, right? But believe it or not, it's a real thing.
Yep, that's the magic number. 850. And we're not talking about just any random collection of words here. Nope, this is more like a carefully chosen toolkit for language. So this list is actually called the Basic English 850 list. And trust me, getting on it is a huge deal. It basically means a word is absolutely essential, super versatile, and just plain powerful. And today, well, we're putting one of those words right under the microscope. All right, so what is this powerhouse of a word? Drum roll, please. It's smash. I mean, you've definitely heard it. You've probably even used it. But let's really get into what makes it so darn special. Okay, first things first. Let's just say it. Smash. It's simple, right? It's impactful, and it even kind of sounds like what it means, doesn't it? All right, let's kick things off with the most common way we all use this word as a verb. You know, a word of pure physical action. This is really its core identity. It's not just about breaking something. Oh no, it's about breaking it completely, maybe even violently, into a ton of little pieces. The word itself just carries all that intensity. I mean, you can instantly picture that scene, can't you? The force, the shattering glass, all of that comes through loud and clear from that one single word, smash. And check out how easily this word adapts. Smash, smashes, smashed, smashing. Because it's a regular verb, it's just incredibly simple and efficient to use, no matter what tense you need. Super handy. Okay, so we've got the action down, but the story of this word doesn't stop there, not by a long shot. Now let's look at how smash transforms from a physical act into something, well, something more abstract when we use it as a noun. And this, right here, is where its true power really starts to shine. You see, smash does double duty. It's not just about the act of breaking something. It's also the result of that action. And get this, it can even be an idea that has nothing to do with breaking stuff at all. So first up, for the noun form, it's the sound itself. It's what you call onomatopoeic, where the word actually sounds like the noise it's describing. So you don't just hear a noise, you hear a smash. And this example just nails it. The sound, that smash, is so distinct that it causes an immediate emotional reaction. Now that is what you call efficient communication. And now for the really big leap. We go from a destructive sound to a massive, overwhelming success. How cool is that? Seriously, the same exact word we use for breaking a window is the one we use for creating a huge hit. Yep, I bet you knew this one was coming. We call it a smash hit. The whole idea that the success is just so big, it metaphorically smashes all the expectations, all the records. It's a really powerful idea that pretty much everyone understands. All right, let's tie this all together. We've seen smash as an action, we've seen it as a sound, and we've seen it as a success. So what is it about this range that makes this one little word so important? I mean, just think about what we've covered. One single, 5-letter word. And it manages to give you a physical, destructive action, and the specific sound that action makes, and the totally abstract idea of a huge success. That is just incredible range. And you know what? That's the secret. That's why these 850 words are on the list. They aren't just common words. They're incredibly efficient. They pack so many different meanings into one simple, easy-to-use package. And smash is the perfect example of a word that's really working overtime. It really makes you think, doesn't it, about all the words we use every single day without even giving them a second thought. So, I'm going to leave you with a question. What's a simple word in your vocabulary that does a ton of heavy lifting? Think about it. Thanks for tuning in.